Hello students. In today's video of matrices in C language, I am going to discuss about whether the entered matrix is symmetric or not. Basically, what is the meaning of symmetric matrix? When transpose of the matrix is the matrix itself, then it's known as symmetric matrix. It means we have to check whether the transpose of the matrix is equal to the matrix. Let us start with the program. For that, main function is required, then initialization of, let us say, 3 into 3 matrix or array. To access rows and columns, we can write I and j. For I is equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. Then the second for loop, j is equal to 0, j less than 3, j plus plus. Then the entry of the elements, scanf, then ampersand a I j. In this way, you can enter the elements of the matrix. Let's execute the program. You can enter 9 elements because 3 into 3 matrix is there. Here you can write printf, enter the elements of 3 into 3 matrix like this, ending with semicolon. Then you can display the elements, printf matrix is. Now you can display the matrix by using the same for loop. You can copy and paste here. In place of scanf, you have to write printf ampersand is not required here. To separate the rows, you have to write new line here. Now execute the program. 3 into 3 matrix, 2, 3, 1, 4, 3, 6, 7, 9 and 1. It means matrix is 2, 3, 1, then 4, 3, 6 and 7, 9, 1. In this way you can display the matrix. Now what's required? Let's understand first of all to find the transpose. The position of the elements is 0, 0, 0, 1 and 0, 2. Then 1, 0, 1, 1 and 1, 2. Then 2, 0, 2, 1 and 2. These are basically the position of the elements of the matrix 3 into 3 matrix. First is 0, 0. You can write 1 here also. If I write 1 less than equal to 3, then I can execute as 1, 1, then 1, 2 like this. Because the starting position is 0, 0, that's why I have written 0, 0. Now, if 1, 0th location and 0, 1th location, both the elements are same, and 0 2 location and 2 0 location element is same, it means the first row and first column is same. If element 1 2 and 2 1 is same, it means second row and second column is same. In this way, you can find whether the matrix is symmetric or not. Let's try to write that one. A 0 0. Here I have to write A 1 0 is equal to A 0 1 and A 2 0 is equal to A 0 2 and third one is A 2 1 is equal to A 1 2. Basically this one is required. If this condition holds good, it means 1 0 element at a location 1 0 is equal to 0 1, element at a location 2 0 is equal to 0 2, and element at a location 2 1 is equal to element at a location 1 2, then the matrix is symmetric. Printf matrix is symmetric and the second statement is else. Printf matrix is not symmetric, like this. Now execute the program. Suppose the elements are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Matrix is not symmetric. Suppose I am writing a symmetric matrix. Let's execute the program again. First element is 0 0, it will remain as it is. Then 3 and 7. Suppose these are the first three elements. What about this element? This element is at a location second row and first column. It should be equal to 3. Then let us say 9 and 4. What about next element? It should be equal to, that is third row, it should be equal to 7, and the next element is 4, and let us say 11. The matrix is symmetric. Now look at the first row and first column, these are same. Second row and second column is same. Third row and third column are also same. That's why matrix is symmetric. Hope you understand the content of a symmetric matrix. First of all, theoretical part is important. What is the meaning of symmetric matrix? Then you can apply your logical skills of C language in any way. Thanks for watching my video.